Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how I use correlation to help me to take a trade on the dollar Swissy yesterday based partly on the euro. And if you are familiar or not familiar with the euro, on a daily chart the euro is generally going in the opposite direction to the dollar Swissy 98% of the time, which means it is the same bet. So I was looking with the Euro USD. I have an order all the way back up here, but the probability of it getting up there this week, it can get there, but it's a way off. So I was interested to take it here, but I need multiple reasons. And all I had here, the fib didn't really help me. I need at least 50% fib. I had the whole number, previous support and resistance. However, when the euro came up here yesterday, the Swissy, USD Swissy, came down to my area. And my area with the Swissy, I had my 5 reasons. So I had the 50% fib, I had the whole number, I had previous major support and resistance in a clear uptrend at a time when the dollar index is clearly in an uptrend, and the dollar index also bounced there, and therefore that helped me to get into the Swissy, dollar Swissy. I very rarely trade this pair, but now I was risking 60 pips, 55 pips for a potential 110. So I just scraped into the reward ratio. However, this could go significantly further, of course. And so it could be a 1-4 or a 1-5. My priority one now is to move the stop to protect this trade. Initially on my live account, last night, I moved my stop into here. And then this morning, I have moved it into entry, and I've gone down to the 4-hour chart and I have moved it to entry, which we just drag it again, plus 2 or 3 pips. So if it comes back down, it won't be a loss. And now I'm going to give it a bit of room. The average range on this is 50 and it's done 37 so far. And I'm thinking to take some profit off when we get to here and leave the balance to run. And the reason why I leave balances to run, this is the balance of my pound sale from 2 weeks ago, and at the moment this is currently 300 pips in profit. I have moved my stop in here, and this is a new potential short. Okay, using correlation on the dollar Swissy and the euro to help me to take a trade. I hope that helps.